All right, so if you're watching this video, then you're probably looking for, some ways to make money online. Let's say on a part-time or full-time basis, and you really want to achieve financial freedom, then keep watching. Hope you're doing well. My name is Chris, and I want to tell you about my experience joining the 15 Business Builder Challenge, right? I recently joined, and so far, it's been amazing. I followed all the steps through and through. I made money while implementing this program. I just took all the knowledge that was taught and I just implemented it, and things are going extremely well. It's going extremely well. I would say the best part for me will probably be the fact that, you're given a coach, and they're going to teach you along the way, make sure that you're set to go, make sure you're set up for success, right? And I just want to let you guys know that, look, it's possible. Anybody can make money online. Seriously. We're in a new age, a new day and age, right? You don't have to go to Ivy League school. You don't have to get this fancy education, pay all this money for college. You don't need any of that, right? You don't need a certain social background or economic background, have rich parents. You don't need none of that, right? Like, I'm a regular dude. I was struggling out here, paycheck to paycheck. I grew up in Brooklyn, not the best neighborhood, right? But look, I'm not rich, right? I mean, I didn't grow up rich, and I was able to make an additional $3,000 every single month, and $3,000 every single month. Do you know what I'm able to do with that now? I can invest heavily. I can invest in real estate. I can invest in the stock market. I can do all of these things, right? And it's because I followed the steps, right? And the best part about it, the program is only $7. So many different techniques and so much that you can learn. Seriously, talk about social media, right? Social media, you guys know, is huge, right? You're gonna learn the platforms, right? The TikToks, the Facebooks. You can market there. People just don't know how to use it. People use it for entertainment. You can use it to make money, right? There's a way to get $500 to $1,000 from TikTok every single month. And in the 15 days business builder challenge, the coach shows you exactly how to do that, exactly how to do it, right? All the steps lined out, right? So, and guys, keep in mind, there's a lot of videos that go out like this. This is not, it's not a get rich quick scheme. That doesn't exist, right? This takes work, right? You have to follow the system 100%, because these are people who've done it before, right? So you're going to learn the exact way so you can avoid all the mistakes, right? So look, if you want to take part, same way I did, click the button down below. $7 is nothing, right? $7. And if for some reason you don't like it, they do have a 30-day money back guarantee. You're not going to need it though. I'll tell you that, because you're going to learn so much information. So make sure you check it out, and good luck with everything.